Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Poco M4 Pro. But before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device Poco M4 Pro, you want to install a second WhatsApp or a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp, like you already have one but you want to download another one, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download a second WhatsApp in your device.